You can get everything here. Dried fish, dried chilies. Oh, these are nice. I've had them before, like dried fish with sesame, crunchy. No, I've got no teeth though. Not good. Right, let's show you the river. I think it's still holiday because kids are off. There was that last of the Songkran holiday. Yesterday was Labour Day. So, but this is the river that runs through Phetchaburi. So the River Phetch, if you like to call it that. It reminds me a little bit of sort of Varanasi with the ghats, what's called ghats on the other side, where they burn all the deceased relatives. But it's yeah, it's quite a nice place. I've sat here before with my mother, and we just chilled. So, right, okay, I'm gonna stop you there for a moment because we have about 20 minutes of video, and if there's anything else, I'll add it and switch on the camera again when oh, Mao Cup. Never win, unlucky. Not sure when lottery day is actually, but it's not like the English lottery when you can win like a couple of £1 million or 5 million. It's you win about £30,000 worth or whatever. Sort of 3 million baht, 2.5 million baht. So, okay, right, let's get out of this bit. It's not that exciting, not that busy. So I'll pick you up in a bit. Okay, I'm just walking down the back street, get away from all the traffic and more wall art. So it's a good one of the monkey. I thought it was actually a real monkey when I stopped. And palm sugar, toddy palm cake, I believe. Maybe wrong. So let's walk you down and show, without running into people, pandan leaves. Different desserts, etc. Lots more cats. They seem to like cats. Cat pop. And there's hiding behind there's a dog. And as you can see, more cats. Cat with a rose. Cat jumping through a hoop. Butterflies. Still motorbikes coming down, even though it's like a pedestrianised area. So there's some more different wall art down here. Let's see if I can show you some more of it. It's quite interesting. This is the old part of Phetchaburi, Melody King 2016. Wow, looks good. There's a whole bunch, like a map on the wall up here as well, showing different parts of Phetchaburi. Where it is, there is a legend over there as well. There's loads and loads and loads and loads of temples in Phetchaburi. Lucky Chinese cat. Let's go down. There is a little Chinese temple down right Right, let's walk down here. It's a bit quieter. Oh wow, that's clever. Look, there's the picture, and literally you could almost see that that's, I thought it was actually a cutout of their face put on it, but no. Very good. There's dogs and cats in the river, and fish jumping out, people drowning. Looks like a whale. Don't know how they got a whale's tail in there. It must be in the sea. Everything's sort of washed out to sea. There's a man's hand there. He's obviously gone underwater. A dog in distress. Fish having a look, thinking what's going on. And then the lady with that's like a blackbird on her shoulder while she's playing the guitar. Yeah. Okay. All these little gems, and you've got 2 dogs, followed by 3 cats, followed by a chicken, pigeon, and looks like a squirrel on top trying to get a balloon. I'm not sure what they were thinking when they decided that this was a good idea, but and you've got 2 little sparrows down there talking to each other with a love heart. How cute. That could be straight out of Hiroshima. For anyone that's old enough to know what that reference was, well done. So yeah, lots of street art. Take you over. Cats, cats and more cats. Someone's tiles, and then you've got a lot of the sort of lanterns, paper lanterns along here with more cats and birds looking at each other. Okay, right, I think that's probably all of the well, that looks nice. Salmon, sushi, grilled pork. Yeah, yummy, it's making me hungry. Opens at 5 o'clock, so a bit early. Now, can't get any of that. Right, so we're back to sort of the markety bit, and then I believe the White Temple is up here on the right. So yeah, there's the White Temple, which I visited before and took a bit of video. I'm not sure if actually I'll put it on YouTube or not. Maybe I'll come back and take more video of some of the temples around Phetchaburi, because it's quite interesting. It's a very sort of old town. So Wat Mahathat Warawihan, if that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, you had the fresh market where we have just come from, and I'm there, the street art, so it's called the Crown Property Fresh Market. Okay, let's get out of here without getting run over. And I think I'll end the video there and catch you on the next one. So yeah, all the best, bye for now. Probably the last shop I found, I don't know what they're going to be like, but 3 kilo of rambutan 4. Now bearing in mind the other shop was 90 baht a kilo, 3 kilo for 100 baht. What a bargain. I shall enjoy them. Going to get back to the car, get the aircon on and sit and eat a few for breakfast. So that's it. Have a great one, everyone. Ciao.